Now we are going to make a golden plant. Things are required: golden wire, golden leaves, golden pearls, and emsil. These are available in the local market. Now insert a pearl through the wire and twist it. And then we can insert a leaf and make a twist. By twisting the wire, we are locking the pearl or leaf as shown. This is very simple process. We can insert a pearl and a leaf alternatively and twist the wire. You can also insert only leaves, but when we are inserting golden ball or pearl and a leaf alternatively, it looks much better. The strings can be thus made. We can do this for 6 or 7 strings or as much as you want. Now I have done this for 6 to 7 strings, and we can take emsil and mix both parts of the emsil very neatly, and we can now fix all the strings that have made on it. This is very easy process. Golden plant is ready. You can decorate it on your table.